Artificial Intelligence, Principles and Applications Lecture Number 3, Problem Solving. This chapter discusses the problem-solving techniques in artificial intelligence. Mathematical or statistical problems are entirely different from the artificial intelligence problem. We have found best solutions to the problems by using easy techniques. Some of the real-world problems in such classes are given. For example, let us take magic square of size 10 by 10 magic square. If we use naive search space, the computation becomes very high. If we consider a 400 by 400 magic square, search space equals 1,60,000 factorial. We will see methods which can solve 400 by 400 magic square in less than 1 hour CPU time. The 2-point of view of problem solving is given. We can define some common problems encountered in our day-to-day life. Almost all the problems stated in artificial intelligence commonly use the term state. It defines the state of the solution for the given problem at that particular step. What are artificial intelligence problems? Otherwise, we can ask this question in different way like, how are artificial intelligence problems different from others? The answers can be summarized. 1. If a solution to the problem needs symbolic representation in computers, then we can consider it as an artificial intelligence problem. For example, understanding of English sentences by a computer when they are represented in the symbolic form. 2. If there is combinatorial explosion in outputting the result of a traditional problem, then we can consider such problems as artificial intelligence problem. For example, in 8 queens problem we have to place 8 queens on the chessboard such that no queens contradict each other. There are 96 possible solutions. 3. It is hard to characterize data in artificial intelligence problems. For example, adjectives like white, beautiful, etc. cannot be quantified. So, we use fuzzy set theory to solve such quantification. 4. The knowledge base of an artificial intelligence problem is voluminous. This size increase happens by change of knowledge in time to time by adapting new knowledge. 5. The data or knowledge base is changing fast. Size of the knowledge base increases day by day. This is achieved by learning process. 6. If dirty jobs are to be done, then human gets fatigue whereas computers can perform without any tiredness. For example, an automatic teller machine of a bank is performing jobs as a clerk-cum-cashier for the entire day. How will you analyze a problem? Suppose we have to check a problem is decomposable by diving into subunits. Identify individual solutions of each part and add these solutions that gave final solution to the problem. In theorem proving, the solution step can be ignored. In bridge or chess, the solution steps are not ignorable. Also, they are not recoverable. But in 8 puzzle problem, the solution steps are recoverable. In 8 puzzle problem or any scientific problem, the universe, all in the state space representation, is certain whereas in playing cards, the outcome is not certain. That is, the universe is not predictable. In 8 puzzle problem any path leading to the solution may be taken since the aim is to obtain goal state, and here the solution to the goal is absolute. In traveling salesman problem, we have to specify the path rather than the goal. Here the solution to the goal is relative. Solution of an artificial intelligence problem may be either state-wise or path-wise. For example, consider the sentence, the bank president ate a dish of pasta salad with a fork. The solution is depending the state in which we reach such an interpretation and it does not matter from what path it is. In certain cases, the path is important like in water jug problem. In 8 puzzle, chess, etc., we got a solution with the help of a knowledge base. In the election of a politician, collecting knowledge base from newspaper or from many other resources will not be helpful to decide his winning or losing. So, in this context, knowledge base does not play any role. Some problems may need human interaction. For example, for playing computer chess, computer bridge, etc., Solving scientific problems through programs, human interaction is not necessary. The methods involve the process of defining the search space, defining start and goal states and the different paths from source to goal states. A set of rules, called production rules, solves the problem in a search space from the start state to goal state. The best path from start state to goal state is obtained by the set of production rules. The production system is a model of computation that has proved particularly important in artificial intelligence, both for implementing search algorithms and for modeling human problem solving. The components are global database or working memory, a set of rules or production rules, and a goal. From the initial state, the solution process may start by specifying one or more states in the state space. Considering these states that would be acceptable as solutions to the problem or would lead to a solution are considered. If it is a solution, then the state is called goal state. The set of production rules describes the action on operators. In the traveling salesman problem, we have to find an optimal solution using the production system. The goal is to find the minimum path. Rule is to branch out from a node which has minimum distance from the root node. Let A is selected as starting node. We can specify the global database in the form of a graph. The minimum path is A to C, then D, then E, then B, and back to A, and cost equals 34. Figure shows the global database for the traveling salesman problem. Specify the global database. Set of rules for the water jug problem. There are 2 jugs of 4 liter and 3 liter capacities. Neither has any masking made on it. There is a pump to fill the jugs with water. How to obtain exactly 2 liters of water in the 4 liter jug? Rules of the problem are: 1. We can fully empty the jug onto the ground or from one jug to the other. 2. We should not fill up a jug or empty a jug halfway or fractionally from the pump or onto the ground. The global database can be represented by an ordered part of number x and y. For x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and y equals 0, 1, 2, 3, which represent the amount of water in 4 liter jug and 3 liter jug respectively. The applicable rules of the production system given as. To summarize the rules as given here. This shows the solution for water jug problem derived from the set of rules are given. The production systems always describe the sort of operations that are being performed while searching solution to a problem. Several production systems exist for any type of problems. The production system characteristics are monotonic, non-monotonic, partially commutative and commutative. In chess game, a knight can move 2 squares either horizontally or vertically followed by 1 square in an orthogonal direction as long as it does not move off the board. Find out the series of legal moves in which the knight lands on each square of a chessboard exactly once. Given a 3x3 chessboard. The 16 production rules are rule number, condition and action given. The 16 production rules are rule number, condition and action given. The goal is to place the knights in the 3x3 board. A production system solution to the 3 by knights tour problem. The solution to knight tour problem is illustrated in table. A comparison of problem and production system is given. We know that a production system consists of a global database, a set of rules and a goal. The initial state can be represented in a way in which the computer can understand. This representation is known as state space representation. Taking up an applicable rule, we can derive another state in the solution path of the problem. The same has to be represented in the computer in a form in which it can understand. Problem in a state space is represented in terms of states and operators that change states. A state space consists of the following. 1. Representation of a state in the system can be in the form of data structure. For example, in a board game, the board represents the current state of the game. 2. Set of operators that can change state to state. In a board game, the operators are the legal moves from any given state. Often the operators are represented as programs that change a state representation to represent the new state. 3. An initial state. 4. Set of final states that may be desirable in some cases and undesirable in others. This set is often represented implicitly by a program that detects terminal states. 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals are needed to cross a river. They made an agreement that all would like to get to the other side. But there is no surety for missionaries that the cannibals have agreed to. To manage the trip, missionaries want to cross the river in such a way that number of missionaries on either side of the river is never less than the number of cannibals who are on the same side. There is only one boat available for their trip that holds 2 people at a time. How can everyone get across the river without the missionaries risking being eaten? The solution is to find a sequence of traveling path from one bank to other using a boat through the river. We can represent M as missionary and C as cannibal while satisfying the following production rules. You may please check the exercise in this chapter for understanding the improvements.